Hello guys, in this video I'm going to unbox this PS5 Miniature, PS5 console miniature. You can see here PS5 Miniature here inside this box. Already I have a PS5 digital editions, but I'm going to unbox this PS5 disc edition. So I have two miniature, so I'm going to unbox this. So I'll be providing the link in the description, so you can search for TYS Toys. It's a 1:6 scale, okay, and it's a model number. You can search that. Okay, I'll open that. You would have seen my another video, Xbox Series X miniature. So I'm going to open it. Wow, super cool. It's really so cute. Inside, right, there is a two controller. There is a two controller. And the bottom cup also is there. It looks like real, seriously. See? Wow. Finishing is okay, but not super good. But you cannot see the symbol here. Wow. It's really awesome. So this back side. Literally you can compare this original controller. If it is turned on, right? You can see that. Already PS5 is turned on. So I'm going to play with that. So there is a two controllers. Okay. And the cup is there. This is very shiny actually. Okay. We will take out that. I'm going to keep it here. Wow, superb. Seriously. Seriously, it's very much good. So they didn't like it's already turned on. I mean, if you're connected to the power, right, you can see the blue lights here. Seriously, they have designed very well because this is very shiny. It looks like the actual PS4. Here we need to insert the disc. Back side. I think we cannot open. See center of the CPU portions. USB type C and power on button and eject button. Also you can see this PS symbol. You can see this blue light reflections. So on this back side, right, two USB port and one network port and one for HDMI and another one for power. So on this back side, I'm going to attach this. Wow. Super. Okay, I'm going to keep it. That's it, friends. Definitely you will like this PS5 miniature. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedback in video forms. Thank you. Bye. Take care.